Welcome back to Texelated, Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to take a look at gaming on the MSI GF65 Thin gaming laptop with the Intel i7 processor, rocking the RTX 3060 GPU from NVIDIA. All game footage is captured in 1080p. And if you take a look at the top right or the top left of the videos, you'll see the frame counter and some other metrics happening there, except for Halo Infinite. On top of that, I have Doom Eternal, I have Back for Blood, Gears 5, Scarlet Nexus, Mortal Shell, Wolfenstein Young Blood. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for any future videos, please leave it in the comment section below. And thank you again for joining me in the isolation chamber, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.
inbound.
Let me see to that.
Okay, thanks. I'm good.
Wearing me down. Ammo here.
Mine.
You need this more than I do.
Yeah, we got this! Or at least some of us do. Cool. Flashlight time.
Barrel attachment here.
Oh yeah.
We got a stalker.
Try and keep up.
Reloading!
Don't see anyone else. It's in.
All right, Control, we're going in.
Control? Really? I have a name. Control.
Regs are regs, Bear. I mean, Control.
And we're already breaking enough of them as it is.
What Jin doesn't know won't hurt her. This is my call, all right? If the First Minister doesn't like it, she can yell at me. Which she almost certainly will.
Tell us where to go, Control.
I'll do my best, but remember, no one's been in that facility for like 25 years.
Yeah, that's pretty evident.
You're not there to buy a timeshare. You're there to launch an old Hammer-a-thon prototype.
And your intel says one of the silos is still intact, right?
Yeah, as far as they can tell. Just get Dave to a functional control room. He'll handle the launch sequence.
Dave.
This is the final trial. I have to be ready. Stop thinking so much. I have to focus on what's in front of me. If I can complete this assignment, I'll be a member of the OSF. Soon, I'll be able to make my childhood dreams come true. I should be able to handle any kind of other with my psychokinesis power.
Here we go. Let's keep this up.
Here we go! Let's keep this up. We did it!
Remember, girls, you are the daughters of the man who killed Adolf fucking Hitler. You were born to do this. Your target, General Winkler, should be in the front end of the Zeppelin.
Copy that, Axter.
Daddy used to say, a good Nazi is a dead Nazi.
Wir haben hier ein kleines Problem. Die Bewachungskameras haben gerade zwei Terroristinnen erfasst, wie sie Motorrüstungen angelegt haben, als sie auf meine Zettel herumgespielt haben. Ich wüsste es sehr zu schätzen, wenn ihr sie, sofort töten würdet. Vielen Dank.
I just love these cute little mini computers. Should be something interesting to read on it, too.